Because every moment you stay longer than you have to, you will become extraordinarily ordinary.
Wes Moore.
I just come back from Afghanistan, and he was like, so what are you planning on doing next with your life? And I went to tell him I was going to go work on Wall Street. And I expected him to be excited. And he was like, really? And I told him, I said, that's not the answer that I thought you'd give me. And he said, why are you going to do that? And I started giving all these reasons. I said,
well, I help my grandparents.
I'm, helping financially my family. I'm can be around really smart people, all this kind of stuff. And he said to me, you just explained to me for the past 3 minutes why you're doing it, and not once did the words, because I'm passionate, come out of your mouth. And he said, listen, Wes, I'm never going to judge you. And I'm never going to judge the decisions that you make, particularly if you feel like they're in the best interest of your family. The only thing I ask is this: the moment that you feel that you can leave that place, leave. Because every moment you stay longer than you have to, you will become extraordinarily ordinary.
Wow.
That felt like an indictment. Because I feel like we all spend our time trying to be extraordinary in some way, shape, or form.
Yes.
And the idea that you think you're doing what is the right thing to do.
Yes.
And this person is telling you, but the longer you do it, you will become extraordinarily ordinary, because if you're not passionate about it, then you'll never be able to fall into your own truth.
Absolutely. When you were first told about going to Wall Street, though, you said, in the back of my mind, I heard the rattle of expensive handcuffs.
Yes.
I love that line.
Those things are real.
Yes.
Right? It's like, well, now my kids are going to this school, or I have a second car I have to take care of, or whatever it is. Those things that we're now making decisions based on material.
How do I got here, I have to keep doing this to maintain the life as I now know it.
That's exactly right.
Had you been feeling a sense of unease or unhappy? Were you all the way to unhappy, or just a sense of, what am I doing?
It was actually, I think, an interesting marriage of both, that I was having a difficult time understanding which one was which. Where I felt like I knew, with everything going on, that this wasn't where my joy lasted. And I knew it was incredibly risky. I knew it was incredibly risky to go out, but I think I had to make a very conscious decision that I would rather flirt with failure than never dance with my joy. Because I felt like I was constantly searching through an occupation to find my joy. And I realized it's not about your occupation, it's about your work. Because they're two different things. My work was where my greatest joy actually started combining with the world's greatest need. And that's when I said to myself,
that's what real service is.
That's what real service is.
Yeah.